got?
Yeah, well said.
Robert Lee said, do saw blade wheels. Oh, please do saw blade wheels. It will be a cut above if you do. I love that how you threw that.
Oh my
Wow,
God.
that almost cut your ear off, Cruz.
Hey, Aaron, can I say something?
No?
Saw, dude.
Please.
Okay.
That's what I was gonna say.
Really? Saw, dude.
Saw, dude. I don't even get
This
it.
ruined Gabe's game.
I'm gonna cut you off now.
That's all, dude.
Ah.
Let's see if we got the right thing here.
Oh my God, these are actual saw
Wow,
blades.
they're tiny ones. I thought they were big ones.
No,
I'm
what-
even more terrified.
Why?
I don't know.
You'd rather have a bigger saw blade? That's
Yeah,
what we-
yeah. I don't know.
What's
it
wrong-
just seems more practical.
What's
it's
wrong
like
with smaller?
I feel like just more room for cutters. I felt like the bigger ones would be like bigger
That's some
slots and
crazy
gashes.
logic,
the little
man.
one
You know,
is like,
you just gotta be sharp.
Yeah.
So we could put this on here, or we could use that one. What do you think?
I think honestly, maybe
Probably.
this one.
tool bite's gonna be very crucial in that.
Real slice.
Warning, always wear protective eyewear.
How are they pretty durable feeling?
Oh, what? Do you have to take these off? What is this?
So what do we do here? Get bearings and put them on both sides? Okay, that's good. That's gonna hold it in there.
Maybe 3 bearings.
Yeah, I guess this isn't your first rodeo.
Yeah, he took wood shop in high school.
I took home ec actually.
You cook some eggs?
So you can build a house just like Aaron?
Yeah.
Okay, Chris, see if you can find me 1, 2, 3, 4 more bearings.
4 more.
Yes, sir.
Quattro moss
Yes,
bearings.
sir.
Okay.
You think we could actually go fast enough to cut something?
No. Sir, drop the drill, please. Don't, then it'll fall off.
Just goes barreling into Gabe.
Oh my God. I got another one.
So should I put it more towards the inside or more towards the outside?
Balanced.
As all things should be. And do we want graphic on the outside or graphic on the inside?
outside.
Yeah, like that. I like the graphic on the inside, not for preservation, because it gets in my way. So how are these wheels looking? Looking good?
They're looking sharp, brother.
Man, those are
sharp.
looking amazing.
Yeah.
They are looking sharp.
What hardness do you think these wheels would be, Aaron?
1000A.
What millimeter are they?
70s?
You think so? 70s?
JD,
Wait, what'd you say?
what millimeter are they?
So these
I'm
right
gonna say
here
90s.
are 58.
Okay, maybe 80s.
I'll go like with an 85.
Oh, sorry. Graphics on the inside. Sorry, guys.
Yeah,
sorry,
well,
sorry,
come
sorry,
on.
sorry.
85.
Does it say?
Yeah, it says 85 right there. I was
No way.
right.
I was
You're
gonna say,
freaking
how did
smart,
this
dude.
man know? It's because he's a vert skater.
Yeah.
What tricks do you think we got in this, Aaron?
Everything.
Kickflip?
You think so?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What's up, baby?
From far away, you look like Beyonce.
I'm a little bit cooler than Beyonce.
I could tell. Have you seen Gold Member?
Well, before this gets too out of hand, don't try this at home, kids, or anybody, really.
We're looking at you.
Hi.
Definitely cut me.
Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Sick.
you want to hit your thumbnail first, or
Absolutely.
you want to just take it?
All right, so you doubling up, huh?
I figured we have enough to double up at least one side, so I'm gonna go the back because if you do a kickflip and you land hard on the back, I'm worried about these bending. Who's the lightest here? We can't just put Justin Daniels on this death machine.
He's the lightest. Hey, sweet child, would you mind going on this hunkadory equipment here?
Should we just send Chris for the drop-in?
No. Yeah, we should both do it.
I'm down to try it.
Rochambeau, who does it first? No even rolling. You just gotta go straight in.
JD, you know what to do.
Yes! I go first.
You want to do
I
it?
mean, yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to go first.
Well, I don't know how tough these are, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, he just...
Are they diamond? If they're diamond tip, they should be fine.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh!
Oh no, they're right. I mean, they are made for wood. You're right.
Wait, no, drop in! Oh, no! No!
The skate park. Yes, do it.
What they think gonna happen? Well, should we bring the quarter pipe up here? I mean, you have to be on the wood, right?
No, why?
Okay, go ahead. Take it outside.
Wait, send it down the ramp.
Oh, JD! Why'd you have to power slide?
How's it feel, JD?
Feels insane.
Well, don't we have a quarter pipe outside?
Oh yeah, let's do that.
Let's go.
We got good concrete. We can't be.
Good concrete. It look like numb in here. I mean, good concrete, baby. That's fun.
Don't let your mom watch this episode, okay, Justin?
Dang, these are pretty strong.
I know, they are pretty strong.
Take you back to my place. We're gonna watch Saturday Night Live, and I'm going, you know.
What is going
I
on?
need to go to therapy now.
This is a therapy
Oh,
session.
you wanna film it?
Yeah.
What's going on?
I got one more jump and I wanna try it.
No.
Alright, ready?
No.
Oh! Dude, you saw that?
Saw that.
Almost got slapped.
This is the dumbest thing you can do.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Hey, Nigel, have you ever seen the Blade movies?
Yeah.
Where's Nigel?
I'm like,
What you got?
I feel like he would have
What you got?
probably has like a guitar.
Way worse.
Wow, look at that. He cut through the concrete.
Dude.
I feel powerful.
It's not even concrete, it's
I
asphalt.
was gonna say.
Hello.
I'm terrified.
Hit it. First try. All right, let's get a kickflip bob going.
Hey, keep it groovy, baby.
Hold
I'll
on.
slice you up. I still lead you from
I ain't
later
just
on.
going for the. I gotta get it practiced.
No.
We gotta really think about this, you know? What if it goes like this, and then it just goes straight in? Worst case scenario.
I heard that.
Oh my god.
You almost chopped my toe off. You almost made my big toe into two smaller toes. Shove it.
Shove it. And then what about primo, landing primo? And you're like that, and they're going, and then you're like,
I got an idea. I don't think it's gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Be careful, bro.
no.
No! Bro! Come on, bro. Afro Jones.
Oh!
I gotta land it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're bending. They're bending.
Are they?
They're bending.
No!
Bender!
Yeah.
The bottom one. This one.
Oh yeah, you gotta
We go to land a kickflip first.
Oh yeah, let's do tricks first.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, those are good bearings.
It's like, it's all in your head, but everything you think, oh, I'll flip it, the blades will start going, and then I'll somehow fall onto it. Every worst case scenario.
The one I'm thinking of is flip, right? And then you had to do that one where you like your foot is underneath. That's what I've been thinking.
This is what skateboarding is, though. Free your mind.
Tell me what to do. Oh! The suspense!
Quiet on the set. Okay, I got this right here, first try. Oh, I do have it. Go ahead, Chris P. McNuggets.
Chris, you got the most chance out of all of us to get absolutely bodied by this.
Thank you.
Oh no, I didn't like that.
That was the noise.
Dude, these wheels are great. I call them wheels.
No, I think you actually made it better. Did you want to get in there, Afro?
You've been manifesting bad things all day. Let's just get another one
I
going.
might as well just cut it to the chase.
Oh.
Am I doing kickflip?
Yeah.
Oh man, this guy is really hacking me up.
No.
My afro adds 10 pounds.
Aaron, come on, you got this.
Okay.
Actually, no, Aaron, you can't do this.
Shorty
You will-
in the club.
You will never land this.
What's that, Gabe?
You will never land this kickflip.
Tell me again!
You will not do this kickflip ever. Oh!
Stressful.
You alright? Is your heart beating?
Yeah.
It should be. If it's not, there's a problem.
Yeah!
Let's go.
You still gotta
So
do
that,
it.
so that means I don't have to do it. 'Cause
No, you
Chris
still
did
gotta
it?
do it.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I'll try my trick real quick, even though it's terrifying and I'm probably gonna get hurt, but.
Did they make this afro out of your beard hairs?
It does actually look
It
really
really
good.
looks like it.
Yes, they did.
I know.
Let's go.
God, it's so scary now!
I really gotta do this?
Yeah.
Kickflip.
Come on. Go
All right,
again.
one more
go
try.
again.
One more try. Full college commitment.
Ah, I can't!
I know.
I just
told
can't mentally.
You. I told you can't.
Okay, saw me right here. What do I get? I landed right here.
Your own pride. I told you can't do it.
1, 2, 3, 4. $100 from Gabe Cruz.
Oh, dude, you just sent rocks flying
The
at me.
problem is I can't even kickflip this board with wheels.
Yeah. Oh, dude, that's sketchier than just try.
Okay, let's go. It's a split second before my left foot just
Four
goes.
nations
Don't
live
do it.
together in harmony until the sausage benders attacked.
Ricardo, the last sausage bender.
What are you trying to say? Alright, I can do this.
Come on! Actually, no, you definitely can't with all the sausage jokes going on in the back.
Alright, let's go! Ah! Oh! Why didn't I land that?
Yeah!
That was easy. Why was that so hard? Okay, you ready?
Oh! That's all Chris.
You got it, Afro Jones.
Seems a lot more terrifying, but. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Slow-mo. Oh!
How you doing?
You got it, man.
Oh!
Oh! Do not.
Oh!
Pop in, flip it. How you doing, baby?
I mean, I was thinking I should have done more stuff on the ramps, but then I was like, no, almost every ramp you use, like we can't take this to the mini ramp. Gonna be putting holes in there. Look at this, damage report. Actually broke this one fully, you see that?
Oh, wow.
Well, I think saw blade wheels was a success. Remember, never, 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 never attempt or do any of this at home. Power tools are not toys. Skateboards are toys, but not power tools. What should we do next? Leave it in the comments below. We'll see you in the next episode.